Look at these two ads carefully. Both of them were part of an ad campaign on social media for the new Apple X. Which of these two ads creates the most optimal emotional reaction? The one with the umbrella on the left, or the one with the person on the stage on the right? We can agree that both pictures are stunning, but which one will work best online? This question is not trivial because social media advertising is expensive. In 2018, companies spent more than $100 billion on social media advertising. It is therefore important to get the most out of your ads. This can be done by evaluating the ad before its placement, ensuring it has the desired effect on your consumer. For an ad to be effective, it must produce a positive emotional response. Wouldn't it be ideal to quickly map consumer emotional response to an ad before it's rolled out? Components of an ad that generate negative emotion could then be modified, leading to a more effective ad. My team and I at HEC Montreal Tech Tree Lab and at the NSERC Prompt Industrial Chair in User Experience have developed a new technique called UX Heat Map that does precisely that. And this technique is now available in a software called CubeHX. Here's how it works. Each picture is presented for 5 seconds to consumer to measure their first reaction. Using eye tracking, we measure precisely where the consumers are looking on the picture. In parallel, we use a software called Face Reader by Naldus to measure the facial emotion of consumer. Using a simple webcam, this software records all micro-movement of the facial muscles. Face Reader will tell us if the emotional reaction is positive or negative. Then we use CubeHX to triangulate these data using a patent-pending technique to create those UX heat maps. In this case, the two pictures were tested with 8 consumers. So, which picture provided the best emotional reaction? Clearly the one on the left. For more than half of the participants, the woman with the umbrella generated only positive emotion. The face, the faded light seemed to create a positive emotional response by the participants. However, the other picture generated a mixture of positive and negative emotions. The backward-facing person in this ad contributes to negative emotion felt by the participants. The tagline focuses on the word face, but actually we don't see the face of the man. This seems to create an emotional dissonance. Therefore, measuring emotional response before an ad campaign can really improve its effectiveness.